stung my...
Fight me.
What? What are you doing?
I said fight me.
What's that, Hiccup? You want to fight to the death? What? Who said that? Nobody said that.
You did.
Whoa.
Here they come. Life debt no more.
You think Snotlout will get barbecued?
Sis, I'm afraid to tell you. I always knew Snotlout would end up as collateral damage.
Ow! I'm not gonna fight you, Snotlout! You see that? The future chief is a coward! You heard me. Come on, hit me!
You know you want to.
Fine. But remember, you wanted this. Ah! What'd you do that for? Ah, hold on, I gotta take it.
That was incredible.
Who knew that scrawny little one-legged Viking had that in him?
Oh, brother. That's it. There's nothing left.
Guess Gobber was right. We've lost our dragon for good.
But on the bright side, Snotlout did just get punched in the face.
Yeah. If only I could enjoy it.
Mom, Dad, Hiccup punched me. I'm really thirsty. Clubhouse, now. And get him some ice.